Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Educult. Today's topic is divisibility test. What is divisibility test? It is basically a trick to find out whether a number is divisible by another specific number or not. मतलब अगर हमें कोई एक नंबर दिया गया है तो हमें चेक करना आना चाहिए कि वो दूसरे नंबर से डिविजिबल है या नहीं. उसी को चेक करने के लिए हमको रूल्स दिए गए हैं जिनको हम डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट बोलते हैं. Now let us take one example. If we take 124 and check it whether it is divisible by 2 or not, there is a rule. You have to first see its unit place, which is 4. Now if it is even, then it is divisible by 2, and if it is odd, then it is not divisible by 2. मतलब अगर हमें 2 का डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट चेक करना है तो उसके यूनिट प्लेस को हम चेक करेंगे या क्या वो इवन है या ऑड. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द टेस्ट्स. फर्स्ट इज डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट ऑफ 2. इसके लिए मैंने एग्जांपल में ही बताया था यू हैव टू चेक द यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट. फॉर एग्जांपल 64 यूनिट प्लेस में 4 है, इवन है मतलब डिविजिबल बाय 2. अगर ऑड होता फॉर एग्जाम्पल 63 तो ये डिविजिबल नहीं होता. मतलब अगर मेरा नंबर इवन है तो इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 2, अगर ऑड है देन इट इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 2. लेट्स सॉल्व वन क्वेश्चन लाइक आई हैव गिवन यू हियर. चेक वेदर द नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 और नॉट. जैसे हमें पता ही है डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट के लिए क्या चेक करना होता है, उसका यूनिट प्लेस. पहला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं 1962. इसके यूनिट प्लेस में 2 है विच इज इवन, देन इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इसके यूनिट प्लेस में 1 है विच इज एन ऑड नंबर, देन इट इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 2. सिमिलरली हियर 8 इज एन इवन विच इज divisible by 2, and then in the last question in the unit place we have 1 which is an odd number, then it is not divisible by 2. Now I hope you learned the divisibility test of 2. Moving forward, next is the divisibility test of 3. For that you have to take the sum of all the digits of the given number and find out whether it is a multiple of 3 or not. मतलब पहले आपको दिए गए नंबर के सारे डिजिट्स का सम करना है और चेक करना है क्या वो 3 की टेबल में आता है या नहीं. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. इन दिस क्वेश्चन आई हैव गिवन यू 3 पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट इज 111, सेकंड इज 963, थर्ड इज 260. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज टेक द सम ऑफ all of its digits. 1 plus 1 plus 1 which is 3. 3 is a multiple of 3, then it is divisible by 3. सेकेंड पार्ट के लिए सेम सारे डिजिट्स का सम लेना है. 9 plus 6 plus 3 which is 18, and 18 is also a multiple of 3, मतलब it is divisible by 3. थर्ड पार्ट के लिए सेम टेक द सम ऑफ ऑल ऑफ इट्स डिजिट्स. 2 plus 6 plus 0 which is 8, but 8 is not a multiple of 3. इसका मतलब 8 3 की टेबल में नहीं आता, then hence it is not divisible by 3. Now I hope you learned the divisibility test of 3. Moving forward, we have divisibility test of 4. For that you have to examine the last 2 digits of the number and check if it is a multiple of 4 or not. If it is a multiple of 4, then it is divisible by 4. Now I've told you the rule for the divisibility test of 4. We'll use this rule to check whether the following number are divisible by 4 or not. For the first part, we have the last 2 digits 08. 08 is a multiple of 4. Hence, the number 908 is divisible by 4. For the second part, we have 80. 80 is also a multiple of 4. Hence, the number 480 is divisible by 4. For the last part, we have the last two digits 21. But 21 is not a multiple of 4. Hence, 321 is not divisible by 4. Now, I hope you learnt the divisibility test of 4. Moving forward, we have divisibility test of number 5. For that, you have to check the unit place digit, whether it is 0 or 5. If it is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Now we will apply the rule for the following question. For the first part, we have 980 and the unit place digit is 0. Hence, it is divisible by 5. For the next part, we have the unit place digit 1 and it is not divisible by 5. For the next part, the unit place digit is 0, then hence it is divisible by 5. For the next part, we have 5 as the unit place digit, hence it is divisible by 5. And for the last part, we have 622, unit place digit is 2, hence it is not divisible by 5. I hope you understood the divisibility test of 5. Moving forward, next we have divisibility test of number 6. For that, the rule is the number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. Now we'll apply the rule for divisibility test of 6 for the following question. First we have 624. 624 has unit place digit 4, which is an even number. Hence, 624 is divisible by 2. For divisibility by 3, we will take the sum of all of its digit, which is 6 plus 2 plus 4, which is 12. And 12 is a multiple of 3. Hence, 624 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 624 is divisible by 6 also. For the second part, we will see the unit place digit is even or odd. It is even. Hence, it is divisible by 2. For divisibility by 3, we will take the sum of all of its digit, which is 3 plus 2 plus 0. Sum is 5. 5 is not a multiple of 3. Hence, the number 320 is not divisible by 6. Now, I hope you understood the divisibility test of 6. Moving forward, next we have divisibility test of number 7. For that, you have to double the last digit and then subtract it from the number formed by the remaining digits, and it should be a multiple of 7. मतलब आपको दिए गए नंबर के लास्ट डिजिट को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और बचे हुए नंबर से माइनस कर देना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी हैव 637. लास्ट डिजिट इज 7. मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 2, we'll get 14. Now subtract the number 14 from the remaining digit, which is 63. We'll get 49, and 49 is a multiple of 7. Hence, 637 is divisible by 7. I hope you understood the divisibility test of 7. Now moving forward, next we have divisibility test of number 8. For that, you have to check the last 3 digit of the given number. If the last 3 digit is a multiple of 8, then the given number is divisible by 8. Now we'll apply this rule to the following question. First part is 7032. The last 3 digit of this number is 32. 32 is a multiple of 8. Hence, 7032 is divisible by 8. For the second question, we have the last 3 digits 800, which makes 800, and 800 is also a multiple of 8. Hence, 4800 is divisible by 8. For the last part, we have 2210, and the last 3 digits are 210. We'll check if 210 is divisible by 8 or not. We can clearly see that 210 is not a multiple of 8 as it leaves remainder 2. Hence, 2200 is not divisible by 8. Now I hope you understood the divisibility test of 8. Moving forward, next is divisibility test of number 9. For this, you have to take the sum of all of its digits and check whether the sum is divisible by 9 or not. For example, we have 963 and 1008. For 963, take the sum of all of its digits, which is 9 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 18, and 18 is a multiple of 9, hence 963 is divisible by 9. And for the second example, we have 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8, which is 9, and 9 is a multiple of 9 itself, hence 1008 is also divisible by 9. Next up is divisibility test of number 10. For that you have to check whether the unit place digit is 0 or not. For example, 100, 210, 1100, 1 lakh, 50,000, all of these numbers have 0 in their unit place. Hence, all of these numbers are divisible by 10. Moving forward, next is divisibility test of number 11. For that you have to take the sum of the digits at the odd position and the sum of the digits at the even position separately and find out the difference of the two sums. If the difference is a multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. मतलब आपको given number के odd position वाले digits का sum लेना है और even position वाले digits का sum लेना है अलग अलग, और फिर उन दोनों के difference को check करना है कि वो 11 का multiple है या नहीं. For example, if we take 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, the odd position numbers will be 1, then this 1, then this 3, then this 2. The sum of these four numbers is 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1, which is 7. Now take the even position digits. 1 plus 2 plus 1, which is 4. Take the difference of the two sums, which is 3. 3 is not a multiple of 11, hence the number 213211 is not divisible by 11. I hope you learned divisibility test through my video. If you like it, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to Educal for more such videos. If you have any queries, comment down below and let me know. Thank you for watching, signing off, and meet you in the next video.